In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Halo Infinite login issue. So first, I suggest that you basically log out of the game. So go to Task Manager. If you see the game launching here, just make sure you exit it. Right click and then exit it from here. So go to Details and exit the game over here. If you see it, right click and then End Process Tree. So just find the name of the game and exit it. Once you do this, now what you'll do is go to Google, and here we will check if the game server is down. So just type is Halo Infinite down. So if you see on these websites that it's down, like you get some spikes here or some spikes here, like it will tell you like if the game is having server issues. So if that's the case, you will just have to wait for them to fix the server issues and you should be able to use the game again. And another thing you can do, you can go here to CMD and then run as administrator. Here you'll plug in some commands. So these commands will fix any issues relating to the network. So first thing, you'll type ipconfig /renew, then press enter. And then you'll type ipconfig /release, then ipconfig flush DNS. Then last command is net winsock reset. So once you have this done, you can close this down and then try to relaunch the game. So if the game still have issues, so you can try to uninstall the game, go to control panel, programs, and here you should be able to find the game and uninstall it, clicking uninstall. Or you can go to Steam and just, if you have it on Steam, you can uninstall it from here. And once you do so, reinstall it again and hopefully it should work.